Okay, next up, let's talk about the Betterbody vitamins. This is a great product. All bodybuilders know there's a reason we take multivitamins. I want to point out some of the awesome stuff about ours that's all natural, plant-based, as well as the mineral formulation I'm going to talk about next. It's great. Some of the key things in this that I want to talk about today. It has a lot of stuff in it. Great for normal health, but I'm focusing on the stuff that really helps us build muscle, burn fat today, because that's often the questions I get. So, vitamin D. Okay, vitamin D receptors are found in muscle fibers, and when it interacts with these muscles, it activates genes that increase growth and strength. And this was found in studies with increased leg strength and grip strength. Yes, if you were doing an exercise like fireman's carry, which is a great exercise to do. Vitamin D is awesome. Next is carnosine, another ingredient in the Betterbody vitamins. Carnosine has the ability to pick up and remove hydrogen ions, which will increase our lactate threshold just like the alkali did, which means we can work out longer and harder. Choline, another active ingredient. It is used to produce acetylcholine, and that's the sole neurotransmitter responsible for muscle functioning. Without acetylcholine, our brain won't tell our leg to move. So we completely need that for performance. Acetylcholine's produced by choline. We have it naturally occurring in our body, of course, but it gets depleted really quickly through working out. So having this is a great benefit. Next one I wanted to point out that many people might not take notice to is the Maritime pine bark extract. Now this can actually boost nitric oxide synthase, which is an enzyme that responsible. It basically breaks down arginine to nitrous oxide, which enhances the muscle pumps again. Increased blood flow, increased oxygenation. We get to work out longer, harder. We get to push ourselves through that threshold, which is going to in turn build more muscle, burn more fat. Next up, we have the Betterbody minerals. Again, all natural, plant-based. Now, calcium and magnesium are two everybody often likes to talk about. They're good for your bones and joints. They're not just good for your bones and joints, though. Calcium and magnesium are actually completely essential to how the muscles work. The contraction comes from calcium and magnesium. The calcium is what allows our muscles to relax. So decreased muscle cramping. A lot of people think potassium is the biggest player in that. Really, it's calcium. Now, calcium, when we have a lot of it, our muscle can relax completely. Okay? If our muscle relaxes completely, this creates a large potential energy for contraction. Relaxation is the opposite of contraction, so you need to have a full relaxation in order to have a full contraction. The better the contractions, the better the growth. Hopefully that made sense. Magnesium is 100% necessary. So again, the muscle money I was talking about earlier, the ATP, okay, that's broken down into ADP, which is used to trigger the muscle contraction. Okay, that happens by an enzyme that's magnesium dependent. So magnesium is very important for muscle performance as well. Last, I want to point out the zinc. Active ingredient zinc in this. Zinc is involved with protein synthesis and can help maintain or increase testosterone levels even. So zinc's another huge mineral taken by a lot of bodybuilders.